why should we use AI to learn English speaking, or how AI can help us in speaking better English or improving our English speaking skills. So today I'm going to answer this question for you, because I know whenever I speak about AI, people have this question that, why should we use AI? There are a lot of other methods also which we can use to learn this language, right? So today I'm going to tell you what is the difference between those methods and using AI, and how it is going to help you to speak better English. So guys, on that note, welcome back to my channel. I am your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. For this, quickly subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section. Remember guys, it's very important to interact with people. So utilize my comment section, start interacting with people, start posting something in my comment section, and it will encourage others also to start speaking out their minds, right? I understand it takes a lot of courage to write something, to speak something in English. But if you want to learn this language, you have to start from somewhere. So that is why start from here, start writing something in my comment section. It will help you to gain confidence and fluency in interacting with people in English on any platforms. Now let's begin. So why is AI so important for us nowadays to learn this languages, learn English, learn to speak English fluently and confidently? First advantage of AI is it's very convenient. We enroll in classroom programs or online courses, right? But here we don't have to pay any money. Most of it is free of cost. For basic use, it is at least free of cost. Okay, the second thing is it is very convenient. You can sit at your home and you can start using this platform. And timings also, any time of the day, whenever you are free, whenever you want to learn this language, whenever you want to speak this language, the AI platform is there. You just have to open it, you have to start speaking, right? So there's no time limit, there's no fee attached, and it is very convenient. So that is the main reason why it has attracted people to use AI. And not only in English speaking, there are lots of other things people utilize this for. I use this AI for a lot of things. Any information I need, anything I want to understand, I just go to the AI and prompt it to help me with that. Okay, so it is very convenient, it is very helpful. But yes, the one thing you have to be little careful about is the AI is evolving. It is improving itself day by day. So at times it might make some minor errors. So you have to understand what this error is. If you feel that there's something wrong, you have to cross-check it. But basic things, it is fine. It helps you with basic understanding and information. That is absolutely okay. But sometimes you have to be a little cautious about it and you have to cross-check it. Okay, before relying on it. But this percentage has decreased a lot now. Okay, so you can rely on AI for basic information and basic things. The second most important thing is it is an interactive platform, right? We all feel that we don't have a speaking partner. How do we speak in English? So this is the best platform which helps you with a speaking partner also. You can start speaking to the AI with a voice mode. Okay, there's a voice mode there, and you can start speaking to the AI with the voice mode. It will start interacting with you in the voice mode, right? It will also start speaking to you. Okay, there are two ways in which the AI interacts with people. One is you prompt something and it will reply to you in a written format, and the other one is a voice mode. If you click that voice mode, it will start replying to you in a voice form. Okay, so whatever you want to, whichever makes sense for you, whatever you are interested in, you can start interacting with the AI in this way, in both the modes, either it's the voice mode or a written mode. Okay, So you don't have to search for a speaking partner. You don't have to go out and start speaking to people. You can start practicing it with AI, and then you can go out and start speaking to people. There are lots of topics and ways you can interact with AI. And in my last session, I've already spoken about it. So you can take up a lot of topics and you can ask the AI also about different topics, and you can speak with it, interact with it. Okay, so this will be a speaking practice or speaking exercise which you can do with the AI, which is very convenient and very helpful. Trust me on this. And here there's no time limit. You can think an answer and then you can speak, right? You can correct your answer. You can correct your sentences. You can ask the AI to correct your sentence also, right? There are lots of ways you can correct yourself here. And so correction is also a very important part of AI. It will help you to correct your sentences. It will help you to correct your script, right? You can just come up with a script if you feel like, you want to test whether you are speaking correct English or not. So you can come up with a script, you can write it and you can put it there and prompt the AI to correct your mistakes there, to improve your writing skills. So you can start doing these things also. When I tell you that if you take a topic, come up with ideas, jot down the ideas and start speaking about it. In the same way, what you can do is, whatever topic you have, you can just jot down the ideas and start coming up with a paragraph about it. And check with the AI if your sentences are correct. Just to understand whether you are able to make correct sentences or not initially. Okay, once you're confident about making correct sentences, you will not need any help. So this is also a very crucial part of AI which it will help you with. And one thing I'm very surprised about the AI is it gives you an elaborate answer. If you are doing something wrong with grammar, sentence construction, any grammar rule, it will help you to understand what mistake you have done and why it was a mistake and what is the correct way to write this sentence or use this in your sentence. So it will give you an elaborate answer. You will be able to learn from it. Okay, so I would suggest come up with a practice session in which you take up any topic and you write a paragraph and ask the AI to correct it or see whether there's any mistake in your script. Okay, practice this also because writing is also very important. If you don't know the grammar rules, if you're not able to make proper sentences, you will not be able to speak proper English also, right? You will use wrong sentences, you will use incomplete sentences and will not sound fluent in English. So you have to do some writing practice also. So here the AI will help you with the writing practice as well. It will correct your sentences, it will correct your mistakes, grammar mistakes or any sentence construction mistakes which you have done. This way it will help you to understand how to make sentences in English also, right? So this is another advantage of using an AI. And the last one according to me is it acts as a tutor for you. It is a whole package, right, where you can learn grammar, pronunciation, vocabulary, writing practice, speaking practice, everything you can do there. It will help you with every single thing, whatever you need, right? You will be able to get information also about certain things. If you want to know about what is happening in IT, what is happening in the job market, what is happening in the world, what is happening in sports, every sphere of life you can get information from the AI. So it will help you to improve your knowledge also or to gain knowledge about different subjects as well, right? And ultimately you will be able to speak on it. So try utilizing your AI platforms to gain knowledge about different subjects, to gain fluency and confidence in speaking in English by practicing different things like pronunciation, vocabulary, writing, speaking, reading, etc. As I told you, there are lots of AIs available right now. You can utilize Gemini, you can utilize Copilot, you can utilize Perplexity, ChatGPT, Cloud, etc. There are lots more, right? So whichever is convenient for you, whatever you find interesting and easy to use, start using it. And the free versions can also help us with all these activities. Okay, so I think it is the age of technology and we should start utilizing technology for our advantage, right? So if we have facilities, if we have things in our mobile or in our laptop, we should start using it. So check your mobile phone, see which AI is available in your phone and start interacting with it, start using it. If you have any questions or queries regarding the use of AI, let me know in the comment section. I'll be happy to help you. So guys, that's it for today. I'll see you in my next session. Until then, keep learning, keep speaking, keep watching and keep exploring. See you. Bye-bye. Take care.